Hi everybody, my name is Maddie and thank you for joining us at our Early Childhood Corner. Today's art activity is sponge art, and we would like to thank McGovern Foundation for sponsoring today's activity. And this is an example of what we will be making today for our sponge activity. And you will need some simple materials like cups or paper plates to put your paint in. You'll need a small sponge, which you can cut if it's too big. And then you'll also need a clothespin for your sponge. And you will also need some paper for your paint. And then you'll need different colored paints so you can make today's artwork. And if you would like to introduce literacy to your toddler while doing today's art activity, a book that I recommend is Mouse Paint by Ellen Stoll Walsh. And for today's art activity, we will be focusing on fine motor skills for your toddler. Your toddler can take the clothespin and pinch the middle of the sponge. You can practice pinching and using their pincher grasp. And whenever the sponge is ready with the clothespin, they can start dipping into the paints. Don't be afraid to let your toddler choose whatever color paint they would like and to mix colors and to try different techniques like swirling or creating circles. This is a fun activity for your toddler because they get to explore and try different things and see how painting can also be an interactive opportunity for your child to practice their physical development. And the great thing about an art activity as simple as this is that it also allows your toddler to use free and self-expression. So they can create whatever they want. There is no right or wrong, and it'll be fun for them to practice painting. And after your toddler has added all the colors that they would like, then your artwork is complete. And today's 5 vocabulary words that you can introduce to your toddler while doing today's activity are sponge, paint, pinch, dip, and swirl. And thank you for joining us for today's art activity. If you do post anything, make sure you tag Children's Museum Houston on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Thank you. Bye.